Tahuteha o te Waiponamu. Kia ora whānau. I am pleased to announce that joining us on Te Koha is the one and only Kyla Greening. Kia ora e hoa.
Kia ora, morena.
Morena, kei te pihia koe.
Kei te whai, kei te happy.
Love it. The sun is shining in your part of Aotearoa, isn't it?
It is.
Actually, to be fair, the sun is shining from what I can see out the window in Ōtautahi. So sunshine all around. And you bring the sunshine to Te Koha this morning, Kyla. Thanks so much for taking time to talk to us. And we're really excited for you because you got some new music, girl.
I do. I'm so excited. Thanks for having me and jamming the song.
Oh, no worries. I'm excited to play it out coming up next. So you got a new track. It is called Getaway. Tell us about this song because there is a cool story behind it, right?
There is. So one day my best friend was telling me about how her dad one time called up her mum at work and said, "Hey, tell work you're done for the day. I'm coming to pick you up. Let's go right on the lake." And I was like, what the heck? That's the cutest story ever. Let me write a song or put some lyrics to this music because for this track, the music was already done by a duo called the Feel Good Service, and they're based in Auckland. That's made up of Mojo Brown and Lucy Graves. So they co-wrote and produced the track, and it already sounded kind of warm and sunny, had kind of a nice groove that was chill to it. So pair that story with that groove, and I was like, hey, that sounds like summer love to me.
Oh, how good. I want someone to do that for me. Stop what you're doing right now. Come. Very cool.
Yeah, shout out to them because my best friend's parents, they live in Washington at the minute, but they're from Auckland. But in Washington, apparently, it only gets sun for about 3 months of the year. So they always make time to have fun and in the sun and be together. And I was like, that's so cool.
That is very cool. And that is what this track is based off. What a great story. Getaway. And it's also featuring someone in this song. Who have you got on your track with you?
I have the wonderful Aiden Fine in there, who is a super good friend. And I really respect him as an artist. And I really love that he's a good storyteller. He's the perfect match.
Oh, great. Well, you guys sound amazing on this track because I have had a little sneak listen and we will be playing it out very soon. But you do have a music video which hasn't been released yet. Tell us about that and when is that coming out?
So that's coming out in a few weeks, which is, I can't remember the dates, I'm sorry. But
August 23rd, maybe?
August 23rd. Woohoo! For a music video, I think. And it'll be a live performance actually. It'll be me, my backup singer girls, it'll be Aiden Fine on the mic and the Feel Good Service on all the instruments and tools. So live. Soon. We're going to be doing it live, yeah.
That is so cool. Well, we're really looking forward to seeing the music video to go along with your brand new song called Getaway featuring Aiden Fine. August 23rd is when that music video is coming out. How can people, Kyla, follow you and your music and what you're getting up to?
Yeah, I'm on all the socials. So just Kyla Greening on Insta, TikTok, and then Kyla Greening Music on Facebook as well.
Lovely. Easy as that. Hey, well, I am loving your music. You've got a beautiful, beautiful voice. And this song is so fun and so cute. And I'm loving it.
Fun and cute's always the goal.
Yeah, I love it. Kyla Greening, thank you so much for your time on Te Koha today.
Absolutely. And thanks so much for making time for me today. That's so cool.
Oh, ngā mihi e hoa.